What do you do if a fellow passenger on a plane is coughing or sneezing like crazy?
Desmond Howard, a former NFL player turned ESPN sports analyst, tweeted this selfie video saying a passenger had asked for him to be removed from the plane because he was hacking away.
Stephen Viscusi is an etiquette expert.
Is it okay if I see somebody who's coughing and sneezing to say, hey, could you put a mask on?
Telling someone to put a mask on today is at your own risk. It's more important that you have the mask and cover and protect yourself. I, for one, would not always invoke telling someone else to put a mask on, but I would always have one on me.
If someone near you sounds sick, there's a good idea. Flight attendant will let you move if there's an empty seat.